Hey, it's Nicole Shavokas, your Scentsy Independent Director. I just wanted to share with you guys how to do a successful flash sale. First and foremost, I hope you read the news tab announcement about the flash sale. It starts tomorrow, Monday, July 15th at 8 a.m. and goes for 30 hours. Tuesday at 8 a.m., they're going to release more items on sale. During this time, our regular website will be up and running, so some people get a little confused about where to go to find the sale. So once you're in your website, you have to click on the sale link to find the sale items. Not everything is going to be on sale, but some items will be discounted up to like 85%. Hey, Linda. So, hey, Jennifer. So, apologize about my voice. I've been a little under the weather. So, I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing today to prepare for this sale. I will warn you, some of these flash sales can be pretty frustrating because there is high traffic on our websites and things may sell out as you're shopping. So just set that expectation for your customers and know that there are some great deals. It's kind of like Black Friday style. Sometimes we miss out on things. So just be aware of that and set that expectation for your customers. Let them know that there's going to be queues. If there's too many people on the website, they may be put in a short waiting queue. And the website could take some time. And hey, Melissa. And, things could sell out in the middle while they have it in their cart. So if they go to check out and something, it'll kick them back and says that, something was taken out of the cart. So just be aware of that and know that that's going to happen and just set that expectation. So don't be frustrated if that happens because it's gonna. Again, you do not have to participate in the sale, but if you do, you might get some extra orders that you weren't going to get anyway. So that's kind of cool. What I like to start with is setting up a party link. You can also reach out to customers and ask them if they would like their own party link to share for the sale. And then if they do, you can create that party link, send it to them. They can share that party link with their friends and family. And then if their friends and family order from the party link, they're going to hopefully get free and half price stuff later when you close it. So you'll close their party after the sale. They also can shop from their own party link. This sale is only available on our website, so we won't be able to order these items through the workstation. So I don't encourage you guys to take orders from people. Let them just go to your website and shop because one, it's going to be hard to communicate with them if things are selling out as you're trying to buy them. And plus, if something does sell out and you were able to get that for them, then they may be disappointed in you. Whereas, if they are shopping, it's kind of on them, so to speak. So I hope that helps. I'm going to try to show you guys. I don't know what I did. I started this video a minute ago and I accidentally shut down my computer. So I'm going to try to show you the steps I go through to get ready. So the first thing is set up your own party link. So from your workstation, click on the order tab and then click create new party and then name it whatever you want. I just said July flash sale. So if you are the host, which for the one that you're creating, you are, click use consultant as host. That populates all of your info, so you don't have to do that. And then we can just save and continue. Excuse me, I have my squeaky nose. Okay, so then you can customize your party page. I highly recommend that you change all this wording up. Say something about the flash sale, whatever you want to do, and then upload a custom image. Maybe take a picture of yourself with a Scentsy Go or something like that. I don't know if I have any pictures in here. That would be fun. Here's me with Minnie and Mickey. So add a picture, add a video, whatever you want to do to make it personalized. If you can, do this for your hosts as well. So we're going to save it. That way it's more personal and people feel like they're actually shopping from you, not just the massive website. Sorry for the wait. So then we want to get the news out. So we have to be sharing with our people, and I'm going to share with you guys how I do that. You can choose your own featured products. Otherwise, it's going to put these up as a default. Those items, which is fine for right now. I always like to set the end date as the end of the month. That way, if I keep this party open with more orders, I know that I need to close it by the end of the month. So now we're going to copy our party link. Then I'm going to have you guys, this is why it's so important to enter all of your contacts information in the contacts tab. So I'm going to send out a mass email to everybody in my contacts. So if you look at my thing, I've been a consultant for 9 years. So I have 5,004 contacts. I do not have email addresses for everyone in here. So what I'm going to do to make my life just a little bit easier, and granted, you probably don't have as many contacts, but everybody I meet that I get their email, they go into my system, and hopefully I have their address, phone number, etc. But you can populate. This is a cool feature. You can actually go in here and click on last purchase. This puts it in ascending order. And then if you click it again, it's in descending order. So see, these are the people that just ordered from me recently. So if you want to do some follow-up and you don't have Maven, you can use your workstation and you can see exactly when they ordered. So say you want to message everybody that ordered 3 months ago or something like that. You can sort by this and then go through the pages until you're 3 months back, and then start calling, texting, emailing, whatever. You can do that. So just a little side tip on the contacts tab. So what I like to do when I'm trying to get the news out, I click on my email and then it puts it in ascending. So all the people I don't have emails for, and then if you click it again, it puts it in descending order. So all the Z emails. Now all the people I have emails for are going to be listed at the top. Because I have so many, I change it to like 500, but you don't need to do that. You could just do like 50 or whatever. And then you can click the top box and it's going to click everybody's name. And then if you click email, then it's going to put all of their email addresses in there, and you can type up an email. So, I might call it flash sale, or I don't know what I'm going to call it, but and then you can type in the body of your email. And my plan for this email, I haven't written it yet, but my plan is to say something like, hey, we're having a huge Scentsy Flash sale tomorrow, up to 85% off of select items. Here is a link that you can shop from. However, if you would like to try to earn free and half price Scentsy for yourself, I can create your own personal link that you can share with friends and family. Email me back or shoot me a text or call me and I'll put my contact information if you would like your own personalized link. That is going to help them get the word out for you from people that you don't even know. So I encourage you guys to do that. And then if they do request a link, make it up real quick. Grab a picture of them off of Facebook, add it to their party link so it's more personal for them, and then shoot them over their party link. And then, you could also say, hey, do you want a reminder when the flash sale starts? And then you can make a list of people to email or text first thing in the morning at 8 o'clock when the sale goes live. Let them know that they will have to click on the sale link in order to find the sale items, and then remind them to make sure that that party is listed at the checkout screen. So especially for the people that have you create a party link for them, tell them to let their people know to make sure it says their name in the checkout screen at the top so that they don't miss out on the rewards, because since he's not going to move any orders. If they don't, if somehow they back out of the party and they order without ordering on the web or through the party, then Scentsy's not going to add those orders to a party. So just be aware of that. So once you've sent out your emails, then I recommend that you text everyone you know. Hey, we're having a huge Scentsy Flash sale tomorrow. It goes from 8 a.m. for 30 hours. Here's my party link. Let me know if you'd like your own party link to share to earn free and half price Scentsy. And maybe follow up with, would you like a reminder in the morning about the sale? And then, send it off to everybody you know. And then as they reply back to you, make a list of people that you're supposed to remind in the morning. Then I encourage you to actually go to your website and practice placing an order, because people might be texting you or calling you tomorrow with questions. So make sure you know how to navigate your website. So I'm going to just quickly show you guys. So the regular stuff, like I said, is still going to be on the website, but there probably where this Lion King banner is going to be a big flash sale link. So they could just click on that and take them right to the link. But if you've never played around on your website, you should do that. So hopefully they use the party link so they'll already be in a party. But if not, this is how you shop a party. So you just click on one of these to be in that party. And then when they check out, it should still be in there. Unless they use the back button too many times, and sometimes it backs them out of the party. So make sure that they use that. Not really important during the flash sale, but if you guys have people ordering from your websites regularly, it's important to know how to get to 6-packs and stuff. And you go to specials, bundle and save, and then you find whatever type of item you want to bundle. 6-packs tend to be one of our more common 6 Scentsy bars. Build a multi-pack. See, it's different than our workstation, so it's important to kind of play around here and learn how to do it. So maybe we want an aloe water and cucumber and aloha citrus. We really like accidentally in love, so we're going to add the rest of those. And then you save multi-pack and add to cart. And then up here in our cart, we have one item. Maybe we're ready to check out. So you can either check out as a guest, create an account, log in with your account. So you may want to create an account today so it's super fast and easy tomorrow. Otherwise, you can always do it as a guest. So you're going to put your email, your first name, last name, street, etc. This is exactly what your customers go through. Sometimes it will give them trouble if they do not put their phone number in. So they must put their phone number in. Also, sometimes if they don't click on the next field, it doesn't think it's filled in. So if they enter the phone number, make sure they either tab out of it or then maybe just click on the name on the card or something like that, because occasionally the website gets confused, but you're going to enter all the information in and it will tell the total here. Once you put in the address it's going to, it'll tell you shipping and tax, and then place the order. It is important to let your customers know that for the flash sale, shipping times could be a little bit increased. So just be aware of that. Sometimes they have to, sort of switch around inventory from different warehouses and stuff, and that can take time. So just let them know and set a good expectation for the timing. So now you know how to do your website orders. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So it's mad at me because I didn't put anything in, but right up here is where it shows you what party you're in. So remind your guests and you yourselves make sure that it says what party, because if you don't have the right party or if no party is listed, then you can change it right here. And if you don't have a party listed, it will say, do you want to shop from a party? And you can add the party right there at the checkout screen. So that's super important. All right. So make sure the party is listed at checkout, set your expectation for your customers, all of that. So, and then use social media. be posting throughout the day, today and tomorrow, reminding people of the flash sale. You can include your party link in there. Sometimes it's not a bad idea to put your party link in the comments, because occasionally Facebook sort of blacklists shopping links in the initial post. So you could put it in, if it's your business page, by all means put it in the initial post. But if it's your personal page, you might want to put it in a comment, so that Facebook doesn't block people from seeing that, because sometimes they frown upon doing business on your regular page. So, try to take cute pictures, you know what I mean? Like, rather than using stock photos, take a cute picture with you and whatever Scentsy item you have, and, say, hey, have you checked out our flash sale? Maybe there's a Scentsy Go on sale or something like that. And I would recommend, too, that you don't just hang out on your website, because you yourself, if you want to shop, get in and get out. But don't just hang around on the website, because that's going to bog down the system. So buy whatever stuff you want on sale and then get out. And then you kind of have an idea of how it looks and what it's like, so that you can help your customers if they have problems or questions. But make sure that your website is live. If you do not subscribe to your website, you cannot participate in the sale. So if you realize right now that you don't have your website active, you can just go to your account tab in your workstation and then subscribe to your website right there. So make sure your website is up and running. Set up your party page for your sale, and then get the word out. Email, text, Facebook. Try to be authentic. You can use like Word Swag, Photify. There's a discount through Scentsy if you do Photify, which is an app on your phone. You can do Canva or even Paint. Just don't overthink it. Take some cute pictures of yourself, your kids, your dogs, whatever, and try to brand yourself for the sale, so that you can get the word out and it's authentic to you. So I hope you guys have fabulous success. I'm excited to see how much team growth we have as far as team wholesale and stuff like that tomorrow and the next day. And also use this as an opportunity to grow your team. Maybe you're reaching out to people today and it's like, hey, we have this huge flash sale coming on. You could sign up for Scentsy today and take advantage yourself, and then you're going to make the commission off of those sales. So it's a great day to be sharing the opportunity as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you guys. Have a great Sunday, and I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.